essence of life. Fire, the passage to gods. Fire, the nurturer and protector. So, why fear fire? A fire can start anywhere and everywhere. An unexpected fire can spell unimaginable consequences. Fire can be a major risk. In today's world, it is a major risk. But one can still protect against fire through proper planning, through proper design, through the choice of the right building materials. Luck has nothing to do with fire safety. Fire safety is all about being prepared with the right kind of products. Introducing the range of fire-resistant glass systems from Saint-Gobain Glass. Fire safety should be a fundamental consideration in any building design, but unfortunately, one that is often difficult to ensure. Even if you followed all norms and regulations, you are never sure how safe is your building from potential fire. A tragedy surely cannot be the test of its effectiveness. And many times, one doesn't follow all the norms and regulations. This is because many times people tend to think, fires only happen to other people, not to me, not to my plate. Indeed, most people may not be concerned with fire safety until it is too late. Unfortunately, till date, fire safety was considered synonymous with compromise on aesthetics. This is but one of the myths about fire safety glazing. Does usage of fire safety glass in building imply limitations on aesthetics? Historically, aesthetics has been compromised for safety requirements. This is no longer needed. Now we have glass solutions that ensure a building's fire safety requirements and also support the architect's aesthetic vision. Internationally, wired glass is not used as a fire-rated glass except in vision panels. This is because wired glass does not have adequate impact resistance, and it breaks instantly on the slightest impact. Especially during a fire, when a panic-induced breakout is highly possible, there have also been instances of limbs being severed after getting caught in between the broken wired mesh. Normal toughened glass does not provide fire resistance. In fact, toughened glass splinters if there is a temperature difference in the glass pane of more than 250 degrees centigrade. This is achieved within 2 to 3 minutes in case of a fire. So, if wired glass or normal toughened glass is not the solution to aesthetically beautiful fire protection, what is the way out? The way out is to use modern, fire-resistant glazing that is not just fire-resistant, but also impact-resistant. Active fire protection involves early detection of the fire, control of the smoke spread, communication of the occurrence of a fire outbreak, and triggering of the counteraction for extinguishing the fire. Passive fire protection can be attained through use of integral, fire-resistant, tested glazed assemblies that are used to form fire compartments intended to limit the spread of fire, thus enabling firefighting and evacuation. Why is passive fire protection as important as the active one? Active protection system may fail or may have a delayed start in case of a fire. Therefore, it is the passive protection systems that provide the much-needed extra minutes to evacuate life and property. Fire-resistant glazing also enables clear vision, thereby allowing one to detect the fire hazard early. It also helps to ensure that nobody or nothing is left behind unattended. Radiant heat is the invisible, extremely intense electromagnetic waves that travel at the speed of light. On striking an object, these waves are absorbed and their energy is converted into heat. So, even if your partition area is protected with a fire-resistant glass, if there are combustible materials on the non-fire side, they will auto-ignite when the ignition temperature is reached. So, for such critical areas, we may need to use glass that not only stops the fire, but also limits the radiant heat fully or partially. Glass cannot function alone as a passive protector, as it requires vital components to become a tested, reliable system. Fire-rated glass is thus only a component in a complete fire-resistive assembly, which includes frame, infills, gasket and seals, hardware, glass, anchoring, installation. Every single component has to be part of the tested system. Saint-Gobain brings you a wide range of fire-resistant glass and glazing solutions that fulfill not only the aesthetic needs, but also the functional needs and perform for specified period of time after a fire starts. Saint-Gobain fire safety glazing systems are classified as per internationally accepted norms into 3 categories. E-class criteria: integrity. These are glass products that can stop the spread of flame, smoke and gas for required time duration. But they won't limit the heat transfer. Hence, these products are ideal for areas where quick evacuation can happen and there are no combustible objects on the non-fire side of the glass. EW class criteria: partial insulation. These products, apart from stopping flame, fire and smoke, also limit the radiant heat to less than 15 kilowatts per square meter at 1 meter distance. They are ideal for data centers and areas where you require some amount of heat control as well. EI class criteria: full insulation. These are high-end products that can actually act as a barrier to radiant heat, restricting the heat to less than 1 kilowatt per square meter at 1 meter distance. You can stand near the glass on the non-fire side and not feel the heat. You can choose each of these products for fire resistance anywhere between 30 minutes to 120 minutes depending on the requirement. These new age products that offer beautiful interiors can be blended with other Saint-Gobain glass products to give additional benefits like thermal comfort, acoustic benefits, bulletproof properties. So today, you can combine fire safety with clear vision and other comfort requirements, opening up unlimited opportunities with respect to design and safety. Be it fire exit lobby partitions or server rooms partitions, fully glazed fire exit doors or lift lobby partitions, fire exit corridors, fire exit staircase enclosure, atrium and glass canopy, metro station enclosures, shop front partitions for compartmentalization. What is more, Saint-Gobain provides the complete fire-resistant system including profiles, glass, special installation material and required accessories through their authorized partner. In short, with Saint-Gobain, you don't get just fire-resistant glass, but tested fire-resistant glass systems. Each of our systems is tested in various international laboratories as per relevant standards. Vetrotech Saint-Gobain is the leader in providing fire-resistant glass solutions in this part of the world. Having run more than 4,000 tests for different applications, Saint-Gobain can provide customized and individual design-specific solutions. With ideal solutions recommended by our expert team, you can be assured that there is no more compromise on design and aesthetics. Beauty and safety together as a solution is a reality. It's time to fire your imagination.